Once upon a time, in a land filled with prehistoric wonders, there fluttered a mischievous pterodactyl named Fred. Now, Fred was no ordinary pterodactyl, oh no, he had an extraordinary talent that set him apart from all his flying companions. Every time Fred took to the skies, an uproarious, earth-shaking burp would echo through the air. These burps, my friends, were no ordinary belches. They possessed such power that they'd cause trees to tremble, feathers to fly, and even the most fearsome T-Rex to scamper for cover. Fred's legendary burps became the talk of the dinosaur town. Unlike his graceful companions who fluttered away silently, Fred's flights were always accompanied by a thunderous burp. The other dinosaurs, startled at first, soon found humor in Fred's unique talent. Fred's burping escapades did land him in a pickle from time to time. Picture this, a peaceful gathering of herbivores, a soaring Fred, and then a burp so tremendous it sent a poor stegosaurus flying into a tree. Oh, the laughter that followed. Fred's burping prowess soon became a sought-after entertainment. He'd arrive at parties, and with a flap of his wings and a mighty burp, laughter would fill the air. A flying competition organized by baby pterodactyls saw Fred's talent become the highlight. As the tiny pterodactyl took to the air, Fred held back his burps until his moment came. Then, with a mischievous grin, he unleashed a burp so grand it created a mini whirlwind, causing hats to fly and leaves to scatter. The sight was met with roars of laughter and applause. From that day forward, Fred's burps became synonymous with joy and laughter. He traveled far and wide, his burps echoing across the land, bringing smiles to even the most fearsome of faces. And so the tale of Fred the burping pterodactyl continues to echo, reminding us all to embrace our peculiarities and share our talents, no matter how unusual they may seem. For it is these quirks that make life all the more amusing. And laughter, after all, is the best medicine. Do remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check out the description. Until next time.